Share this video.
No. This is Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for what you're doing. You're helping to do better society, better humanity. And that's what we want. People want, we just want better humanity. I work for people. Especially in Nigeria, like that's what it's called. No society, because of the government. It's to care for everybody. Especially those who are left with them. Nobody will do. So it's a combination. It's all that we want to do. So thank you. Thank you. Well, how do I say I knew about it? I think it was my wife that told me about it.
You will. She's a guy, isn't it?
She mentioned it to me. Oh, so I'm going. I was supposed to my phone tomorrow. Because tomorrow is when you told me you will come. Yes. So I'm surprised when I was about to close the program. I heard that you are around. I told my two mother, but tomorrow is when he told me he would be coming to Zion. At the beautiful gate, Peter says, silver and gold I do not have. What I will give you and what I will continue to do is prayer. That is only what I can give you. Because no doubt that you have a good heart. Our effort as human beings have a limit. Oh. God bless you. When my brother invites me for education.
So, could this be the reason Elijah of Enugu, Juweno almost like declare raga against our own evangelist Ebuka Obi, oversized in Damuma, the prophet for these last days? Could this be the reason he came to adoration by your own invitation? You humiliated him. Ebon on Ashwego, Ebon name money hunting. You humiliated him, Ebon name money hunting, Ebon name fundraising. Ebon name the highest bid that takes it. But he went to Zion. Not by anybody's invitation, but because now the wife introduced you to Zion. Whenever we the salvation door, he went there on a personal visit without invitation of anybody. But no Goloyagu Ije. He went there to go and see this man. Onano Makesinsi. Now, feeling now, so no ye imana na mata between go there ka evangelist Ebuka Obi na Batana Lagos. You are now seeing it as a challenge. Obviously, that evangelist Ebuka Obi na challenge you by welcoming somebody. Oh man, go na well over. One day, this will be a campaign to go to Lagos. I always go to Lagos. Evangelist Ebuka Obi more time for anybody when it comes to Lagos. People can attest to that. I'm go say na also congregation you had equal to task. Also when you want 50 billion gained in Zion today, the Zionites will raise that money. Nobody will come from any government house to come and help to raise that money because everyone is sitting from government in Abia and they reject here. You know even now well. So the mission Peter Obi Jeru na Enugu the different from mission OJ na Lagos. Apo batari na Enugu obviously because now they make fundraising. Can use advantage of now they make election. Go we be a campaign we wote ego. Oya we wote nnukwu ego on 31st ebu amuma. Obviously wote ego. The world fall over on its order. It was them that now Odezie na Zion. Never the same Kobe cannot welcome him to Zion. Even now we are bagay. So each look evangelist Kobe so well what you go. Oh no go on Abia Zion. Evangelist Kobe at all where down. Well no Abia na gonna my father ntunu seti well matter. Na gonna we matter. I cannot welcome you because of what? Oje Zion for this anointing, this Ebubane Kumake sense. Oje eba for campaign. Oje eba for fundraising. Oje back, he take advantage of him, and we honest discussion, and the now bye bye, go. Eh? I'm suspect and if I will the beginning, because the moment Peter be appear in Zion, Baba for you as if na kaka marie, does it mean then neglect is no who Eba mananya nunya will outstand and mother. Welcome here. I'm only thinking aloud. I'm thinking aloud. Share this video.